Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a velocity edit in CapCut PC and even adjust the velocity settings as well. This is, I think, kind of new, but you're going to want to add music to it as well. So if you go to the speed section, you'll see velocity effects and you're going to select flash. It's going to automatically detect the song here so it matches the video to the song. As you can see, the music source is chill beat, but you can change it if that's the incorrect music source. You can also change the beat frequency, the speed, and the intensity. So this is what it looks like when it's normal. For instance, you want it to be a little bit faster, you can do that, and you want the intensity of the flash to be brighter, you can do that, but you need to wait for it to process again and again once you change anything in this section. So hold on. So like here, as you can see, it processes it. You know what? It's fine. I'm just gonna wait until it's done processing. It gets processed again. There's a word for it. And that is it. It does match with the song, by the way, if you're curious about that. I just can't play the audio for you guys, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.